chairperson, and I will be presiding over our pre-bid conference today. So today is June 4, 2026. So today we are scheduled to conduct a pre-bid conference for civil works with a contract ID of 26GA0040, 26GA0063, 26GA0069, 26GA0078, 26GA0080, 26GA0087. So please be informed that our proceedings are currently being live streamed via our YouTube channel, Livestream, Aklan DEO Procurement. So in addition, the funding source for this project is under Banga 2026. Therefore, the contract will be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder upon the release of the budget allotted for the mentioned project. So before we officially start our agenda, let us have an opening prayer to be led by Mr. Ray Bermino.
Okay, Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for this wonderful time as we gather in your name, as we conduct our pre-bid conference. Guide us, Lord, and help us to be able to understand and follow the Government Procurement Reform Act to achieve the objectives of this undertaking. Creating us, O Lord, desire to be more dedicated and committed to our duties and responsibilities. Teach us to be more responsive to the demands of integrity in public office. This we ask through your Son, Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen.
Thank you, Mr. Ray. Once again, for the determination of quorum. Again, may I call Mr. Ray Bermino.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair, and second to everyone. Today we are conducting the pre-bid conference for civil works. But before we proceed, let's have a roll call of our PAC members who are present today. Let's start from our chairpersons, Chair Visigatin.
Present.
Our vice chairperson, Sir Nagbanis.
Present.
Our provisional members, Joey Ecoleta is not around. He attended an emergency meeting. Also, our additional member, Madalag is in Barangay. She attended also regional conference meeting. So we have one provisional member is around today. Let's call him Sergeant Onsen. So 5 were present today, but still I can declare that there's a quorum, and our pre-bid conference for civil works activities can now proceed. Thank you.
So thank you, Mr. Ray Bermino. Since there is a quorum, we will now proceed with the pre-bid conference. So the purpose of this meeting is to discuss, clarify, and explain the requirements, terms, conditions, and technical specifications stipulated in the bidding documents. So may I request the representative from the client and design sections to briefly present the scope of work and the technical details of the project.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. For the first project, 26GA0040, construction of road station 0+000 to station 0+483, District 5 and District 6, Barangay Pinamuk-an, Washington, Aklan, with the APC amount of 4,736,000 pesos, 160 pesos. Project duration is 53 calendar days. Concreting of road with a total length of 0.9669 km, 2-meter width of concrete roadway with 0.15 meter thickness, 1 meter shoulder both sides, and roadway lighting. Showing the vicinity, the contour, the geohazard maps, and the topographical layout. Next is the typical road section, the plan and the profile. Next is 26GA0063, construction completion of multi-purpose building COVID court, Barangay Muguing, Banga, Aklan, with coordinates 11.643057 and 122.392 341. ABC amount of 1,908,000 pesos. Project duration is 90 calendar days. For the project description, construction of a three-tier ditcher structure with 4 units of reinforced concrete columns and footings, complete plastering and painting works, refer to plan for the location of ditchers, improvement of the existing stage including the construction of 2 additional columns and footings, 2 beams, and the installation of complete steel trusses and roofing materials. It also covers the demolition or removal of the existing stairs and the construction of a new stairway at a relocated position. Construction of a perimeter wall along grid 1 of the existing covered court, installation of 5 steel windows, repainting of existing structures, and the application of rubberized floor paint finish on the existing concrete pavement. Showing the perspective. Next is the floor plan. The foundation plan. 26 GA 0069, construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Poblacion, Madalag, Aklan, with coordinates 11.528097, 122.303765, with the ABC amount of 4,950,000 pesos. Project duration is 150 calendar days. For the project description, construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Poblacion, Madalag, Aklan, with 11 units of with column footing type being RCB1, reinforced suspended slab, slab on grade with reinforcement, masonry works, cement plaster finish, and painting works. Showing the perspective, the location, and the vicinity maps. Next are the contour and the geohazard maps. The floor plans, the elevations, 26 GA 0078, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Aparicio, Ibajay, Aklan, with coordinates 11.694418, 122.187986. ABC amount of 1,980,000 pesos. Project duration is 85 calendar days. For the project description, construction of Barangay Hall for Phase 1, concrete works for the ground floor area including second floor slab and canopies, tile works in toilet areas and kitchen counter, plastering works in interior and exterior wall of ground floor area, ground floor doors and windows, sanitary and plumbing works including septic tank, interior painting works excluding ceiling, sanitary and plumbing works including septic tank and electrical works. Showing the perspective, the location, and the vicinity maps. Next are the ground floor plan and the second floor plan. The elevations. 26 GA 0080, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Bagacay, Ibajay, Aklan, with coordinates 11.791655, 122.165025. ABC amount of 1,980,000 pesos. Project duration is 90 calendar days. For the project description, continuing construction of multi-purpose building covered court, including construction of entrance gate and perimeter fence grills, truss installation, pre-painted metal sheet, roofing and accessories, aluminum ceiling, aluminum lower, and exterior wall installation using fiber cement board, installation of cement plaster finished on basketball court and exterior area, and installation of glass fiber basketball board and ring. Showing the perspective, the location, and the vicinity maps. Next are the vicinity, the contour, the location, and the geohazard maps. The floor plan and the roof plan. The right and the front elevations. The left and the rear elevations. 26 GA 0087, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Bubog, Numancia, Aklan, with coordinates 11.744395, 122.343292. ABC amount of 1,980,000 pesos. Project duration is 85 calendar days. For the project description, construction of 28 meters of ditches with roof and canopies, plastering works, painting works of all concrete, wood and steel surfaces, application of rubberized paint at play court area, electrical works, and provision of downspout connected to trench drain with steel grating cover. Showing the perspective and the sketch plan. the vicinity, the location, the contour, and the geohazard maps. The floor plan, the front and the rear elevations, the right side and left side elevations. That's all we do.
So thank you from the planning design sections. So we will now proceed to the invitation to bid. The Department of Public Works and Highways, with the Aklan District Engineering Office, through its bids and award committee, now invites bids for the above procurement projects. So bidders should have completed within 10 years from the date of submission and receipt of bids a contract similar to the projects. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in section 2, instructions to bidders. Number 1, bidding procedures. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the implementing rules and regulations of IRR of RA number 12009 New Government Procurement Act. Bidding is restricted to Filipino citizens or sole proprietorships, cooperatives and partnerships, organizations with at least 60% interest or outstanding capital stock belonging to citizens of the Philippines, citizens or organizations of country whose laws grant similar rights or privilege to Filipino citizens pursuant to RA number 5183 for goods, services when applicable. Number 2, availability of bidding documents. Interested bidders may obtain further information from DPWH Aklan District Engineering Office, Calico Aklan, office hours, Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired from May 28, 2026 to June 17, 2026 from the address below upon payment of applicable fee pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPP. For goods and services, the fee for the bidding documents shall be 5,000 pesos. The bidding documents may also be downloaded free of charge from the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or PELGIPS and the websites of the procuring entity, provided that the applicable fee shall be paid not later than the submission of bids. Number 3, pre-bid and opening of bids conference. The DPWH Aklan District Engineering Office will hold a pre-bid and opening of bids conference at back conference room, 10 a.m. DPWH Aklan District Engineering Office. The conference shall also be live streamed via www.youtube.com/dpwh.aklan.deo. Submission and opening of bids. Bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat through manual submission at the office address indicated below or electronic submission for civil works if applicable via email at electronicbids_aklan@dpwh.gov.ph. The deadline of submission is on June 2026, 10 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB Clause 16 or ITB Clause 16.1 as applicable. Bid opening shall be on June 17, 2026, immediately after the deadline for submission of bids at the back conference room, DPWH Aklan District Engineering Office, and or via electronic bid submission. Bids will be open in the presence of bidders, representatives who choose to attend. Number 5, contractor registration for civil works. Contractors who wish to participate in civil works bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works Application or CWA at the DPWH Procurement Service PRS at 5th floor, DPWH Building, Ibajay Drive, Port Area, Manila. Eligibility shall be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process CPEP and subject to further post qualification. Number 6, Belgium's registration requirements. Pursuant to GPPB Resolution number 15-2021, prospective bidders are required to upload and maintain current the following eligibility documents in Belgium: registration certificate or SIC DTI registration, mayor's or business permit or equivalent documents, tax clearance, pickup license and registration for civil works, and audited financial statements. This is the checklist for civil works technical component of the bid and the financial component of the bid. So take note, any missing, incomplete or patently insufficient documents in the above mentioned checklist is ground for outright rejections of the bid. And for goods and services, the technical component of the bid and the financial component of the bid. So furthermore, the pledge minimum equipment specifications, including the locations of the same equipment at the time of the bidding, shall be in accordance with the DPWH Department Order Number 9, Series of 2012, and Department Order Number 58, Series of 2012. This refer to DPWH DEO 11, Series of 2017 for the minimum material testing equipment, and the DPWH DEO 127, Series of 2018. Strict application of RA 12009 in the conduct of post-qualifications of bidders with delayed ongoing contracts with the DPWH. So another DO is DO 253 Series of 2003 for the accreditations of asphalt and port and cement concrete batching plants. So during the post-qualification stage, the technical working group or validates and verifies all the statements made and documents submitted by the bidder, and with the lowest calculated bid LCB, the evaluation uses a non-discretionary pass or fail criterion. If a bidder is found non-compliant with any of mandated DOs, it proves they do not have the technical or legal capacity to undertake the project, leading to automatic post-disqualifications. So for DO 9 and 58, Series of 2012, bidders must pledge the minimum equipment required and accurately state its exact location at the time of bidding. So during post-qualification, the DWG conducts physical inspections of the bidd's equipment. If the equipment is not found at the declared location, is not in good working condition, or fails to meet the minimum capacity specified in the bidding documents, the bidder fails the technical requirements. For DO 11, Series of 2017, contractor must own or have dedicated access to the minimum material testing equipment required for the project's quality. So if the post-qualification inspection reveals that the contractor's laboratory lacks the required number of units, or if the testing equipment is substandard, uncalibrated, or missing, the bidder will be disqualified for lacking the technical capacity to ensure the project is quality. For DO 127, Series of 2018, this DO mandates the strict application of RA 9184 or the new government RA 12009 during the post-qualification of bidders, specifically targeting those with delayed ongoing contracts or a history of non-performance with the DPWH. The technical working group heavily scrutinized the bidder's performance history. A bidder will be automatically post-disqualified if verification reveals any of the following: negative slippage, including 15% or more in a single ongoing DPWH projects, or a negative slippage of 10% or more in 2 or more ongoing DPWH projects. And another is the liquidated damages. If the bidder has incurred liquidated damages on previous or ongoing projects, the impositions of LD means the contractors breach the contract by failing to complete the projects within the approved time frame. This is a definitive red flag, demonstrating a lack of reliability and technical capacity to deliver new project on time. Another is the bid submission. The physical submission or the dropping of bid documents into the designated bid box must be performed strictly by the contractor's authorized liaison officers. Furthermore, the liaison officer must be duly registered and present a valid contractor's registration certificate or CRC or their officially registered DPWH ID upon submission. The Bids and Awards Committee and the BAC Secretariat strictly monitor the identity of the individuals submitting the documents to prevent unauthorized tampering or representations if the individual attempting to draft the bid is not the officially registered liaison officer, or if they fail to present a registered CRC, the BAC Secretariat will outright refuse to accept the bid documents. Consequently, the contractor will be barred from participating in the bidding for the specific projects. Another department order, 15, series of 2012, the list of contractors' equipment bids to the contract. Here's our standard forms. So, failure of the prospective bidders to state a complete technical descriptions of the bids equipment and the specific location with their own lease or under purchase agreement shall result in the bidder's automatic post-disqualification for award of contract and for feature of its bid security. And for the Department Order 11, series of 2017, here's the list of contractors, majors, construction, and laboratory equipment unit to be assigned to the contract supported by the certifications of availability. And the Department Order number 9, series of 2012. So now we will now open the floor to our prospective leaders. Are there any questions, clarifications, or concerns regarding the project details, bidding documents, or procurement timeline? Hearing none, our private conference for today is hereby adjourned. Thank you everyone and goodbye.